Alright, video quick tip of the day. Should I film a video in the portrait or the landscape mode? So based on statistics, humans are just too lazy to rotate our phone. So portraits are so popular that YouTube created YouTube Shorts that is in the vertical manner. Think about TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and even Instagram Reels. They're all in the portrait manner. But before you shoot a video in the portrait manner, think about whether your audience, your target audience, are watching your content on a computer screen or on a TV. Because our TV and monitor screens are all in the horizontal and landscape format. So my tip of the day, shoot in landscape. Why? Simply because if you shoot in portrait, you can't export it out to a landscape output later on. However, if you film your video in the landscape format, you can repurpose it by reframing to a portrait output. So you're getting the best out of two worlds. So make sure you're filming the video, you have these portrait markers on the screen. If not, make sure your subject is in the middle of the frame. Follow for more and see you on the next one.